What's up guys, it's me another Jimmy Geek. So here's my Black Shark 2. Here's the Black Shark 2 side out protector. Basically it works like a Nintendo Switch. So let me just open it. So here's my knife. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we are done. And then let me take it out. Okay, here's the Black Shark 2 logo. Okay. The case that will come out like this. Whoa, I like the sound. Whoa! Oh, this is a tough case. Can you see? This is a tough case. Okay, let me just put inside. Okay, yeah. Now it's look quite nice, to be honest with you. Okay, let me put inside the Black Shark 2. This is what we call it, a case, a pure gaming case. I mean, wow. Isn't this awesome? Wow. This is what you call it, a pure gaming case. So now let me put this the Joy-Con, I mean the controller also.